And the BJP Parliamentary Board is now in meeting to decide on whether to expel Ram Jethmalani or not. Jethmalani was suspended yesterday by party chief Nitin Gadkari, but the senior lawyer is unfazed. In fact, earlier in the day, he shot off another letter, his second in less than 10 days, asking Gadkari to step down to prevent further losses to the party.
This letter going again to the party president Nitin Gadkari. Ram Jethmalani still remains defiant despite being suspended by the party. He says that it doesn't affect whatever action that the party takes, does not affect him, does not bother him. He will continue to speak his mind and voice his opinion. And he is, like he had told Times Now and other cameras earlier in the day, that he was going to be writing yet another letter. This time Ram Jethmalani confirming he has written and shot off another very long letter. That's what he said to the BJP president. Let's just play out what he told the cameras just now.
Don't worry about it. I am indifferent, and you have no business to get into it more than us.
Yesterday, Mr. Jaitley said...
Now, will you please stop us? I will not answer a single question. I have told you. Please report that Mr. Jethmalani says that I am totally indifferent.
पर राम जेठमलानी साहब आज पार्टी आपको निकालने का फैसला कर रही है तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आपने सवाल उठाया उसके ऊपर कि पार्टी लाइन से अलग है.
Now, will you stop this kind of an assault? I will not allow this to happen. Please take it from me that I don't like this. I am indifferent. Whatever they do doesn't bother me in the least.
Sources have told NDTV that Shatrughan Sinha will be suspended too, and Yashwant Sinha will be given a chance to withdraw his statement or face suspension.
The Parliamentary Board confirmed the decision of the National President Shri Gadkari of immediately suspending Shri Ram Jethmalani from Bharatiya Janata Party for his indiscipline and anti-party activities. And Parliamentary Board also decided to give him a show-cause notice asking why he should not be dismissed from the party.
And this is what Shatrughan Sinha had to say about the appointment of the CBI director.
रंजीत सिन्हा सबसे सीनियर मोस्ट आईपीएस ऑफिसर हैं, 1974 बैच के आईपीएस ऑफिसर हैं. तो मैं समझता हूं उनका चयन, उनका सिलेक्शन, उनको बतौर निर्देशक के तौर पे सीबीआई में उतारना बिल्कुल भारत सरकार ने फेयर और ट्रांसपेरेंट मैनर में काम किया है.